Good morning and welcome back to SPX Volatility 411. My name is Joel Hawthorne with themorningsnapshot.com. Quick recap on trading action from Friday in SPX. Total option volume on Friday in SPX was 2.48 million. Puts led the charge with 1.45 million, followed by calls with slightly over a million in volume. Today so far, we have about 520,000 in volume, with puts leading the charge with 310,000, followed by calls with 210,000. The most active options in SPX on Friday were the 39.50 puts expiring on Friday, with 63,722 in volume. Today so far, the most active option in SPX are the 3900 puts expiring today, the 3980 calls expiring today, the 3950 calls expiring today, and the 4050 calls expiring December 30th. Total open interest today in SPX is roughly 19.3 million. Put open interest sits at roughly 12.3 million, followed by call open interest at about 7 million. Moving over to the VIX. VIX total option volume on Friday was 320,000 in volume. 187,000 of that was on the call side, followed by 133,000 of that on the put side. Today, we have about 120,000 in volume so far, with 94,000 of that being on the call side and 26,000 of that being on the put side. VIX most active options on Friday were the 21 puts expiring February 15th of next year, and that roughly had about 24,000 in volume. Today, the most active options are the 30 calls expiring December 21st, with about 23,035 in volume. Followed by the 26 calls expiring December 21st, and those 40 calls are coming in third, expiring December 21st as well. VIX open interest today sits roughly around 10.3 million, with 7.83 million of that on the call side and 2.46 million of that being on the put side. Some economic data to be on the lookout for this week. Very important week for economic data. We have CPI on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have crude oil inventories and FOMC rate decision. This will be the last one before the end of the year. And Thursday, we have retail sales. And Friday, we have the OPEC meeting. Last but not least, some exciting news. Extended global trading hours start today for S&P 500 index options and many SPX index options. They will both trade nearly 24 hours a day, roughly 5 days a week. Global trading hours will start at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time and end at 8:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. My name is Joel Hawthorne, and this is your SPX Vol 411 report.